Energize mode.
Energize mode.
Enhanced mode.
Enhanced mode. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this knee massager. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great knee massager if you're having knee issues and if you want to soothe out your knees. So let's get into it and let me show you all the great features this has, and I'll give you my overall feedback at the end. So this is how the product looks. It's made of a nice rubber material, so it's very easy to clean. It's a nice cool color. It has a decent weight to it. So if you long press this button here, this is going to turn it on and off. The plus and the minus, this will change the heat temperature from low to high. Here's your adjustable straps right here. This is where you place your knee in the suction cup. So it's very comfortable. This inside here is where the heat comes out of. And then this is where the motor is right here to vibrate it. It comes with this convenient USB-C charging plug. So it's very long. The battery life on this lasts a few days of constant use, and it's very easy to recharge it. Okay, so let me show you how to put it on and how it works. It is recommended when you're using the knee massager to try to keep your legs at 180 degrees, because so that way that your knee is nice and relaxed. So when you're going to put it on, you're first going to put the cup over your knee, like so. And then you take your first strap, put it under, and then you just attach it. You could do both just to get it nice and even. And then do the same thing for the top. Okay. Another pro tip, when you're using the heat, you can either do it bare skin or under light clothing. Okay, so I'm going to hold down the button to turn it on.
Hi, SKG. Gentle mode.
So it starts off with the gentle mode, and the heat is already going on. You can see it's red. If I want to start it low, you just press the minus button.
Hot compress on. Hot compress on.
So I just turned it off since it was low already. So you press the plus to turn it on. So you see the low heat. So it has 5 different settings on here. So this is the gentle setting. If you want to change the setting, you press the middle button again.
Soothing mode.
See? Soothing mode.
Relax mode.
Relax mode.
Energize mode.
Energize mode.
Enhanced mode.
Enhanced mode.
Massage off.
And then if you press it again, then it turns it off. If you just want to use the heat, you turn off the double massaging mode and just leave the heat. Vice versa, if you want just a massage and no heat, then you turn off the heat. So it's great that you're able to use either both the massaging and heat, or one or the other. So you leave it for about 20 minutes and then you switch it to the other knee if you need to switch it. And once I'm done, I hold down the button to turn it off.
Massage completed.
Then you loosen up your strap, and then it's very easy to put it away. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great knee massager. I like how well that this instrument is made. I like that the material is a nice rubber material. It's nice and soft. It's very easy to clean. I also like how that it has the vibrating and the heat mode on here, and I also like how you're able to use both of them or one of them separately. And I like how how the heat has 3 different settings and the vibrating has 5 different settings. This is very easy to put on and off, and it's very easy to clean and maintain it. So this is a great knee massager. Thanks for watching.